Hi, today I'm going to show you how to create a popover for iPhone. I've created a simple Xcode single view project here. This is the storyboard. I'm just adjusting the mode to compact any for iPhone. And I'm going to now embed the initial view controller in a navigation controller. And just adjust the position of the screens. Now I'm going to drag out a bar button item and place it in the navigation controller navbar so we can launch the popover from this button. I'm just going to set it to organize type, custom type. Now I'm going to drag out a new view controller which will be the popover. And I'm going to adjust the size to something smaller. (200 by 100). And I need to also click here so that the intrinsic size, explicit size is maintained. Now I control drag from that button to make the segue and select popover type. And I'm just going to place a label in the popover. And with auto layout, set it horizontally and vertically in the center. And I'm just going to add a background color to make it more visible. And now clicking on the segue, I need to give it an identifier, call it show popover. And that's all we need to do in the storyboard. But if I build and run it now, you'll see that it doesn't quite do what we want. Clicking on the button, we get not a popover, but a modal view. So we need to do some additional steps in the view controller class, and the first thing is to make the class respond to the UI popover presentation controller delegate. Then we need to override the prepare for segue method. Here we check for the identifier that we entered earlier, show popover. Here we set a reference for the destination view controller. So we get a reference to the destination view controller and then set the delegate popover presentation controller delegate to self so that it will call the delegate methods. Finally, we have to add this method, adaptive presentation style for view presentation controller, and set the UI modal presentation style to none. This will force popover instead of a modal view. Now we just build and run. Click on the button, and there we have our popover. Click anywhere outside the popover to dismiss, and there we have it.